in the forest. When fear walked between the trees, another spirit awakened. Not the strongest, not the largest, but perhaps the wisest. The great flaming fox. Flaming fox. Flaming fox. Flaming fox. Guide our souls. Ya-heh! Guide us, guide us. I walk through shadows without a light. Cold empty roads and endless nights. Questions around me, doubts in my mind. Searching for something I could not find. Then through the darkness a fire appeared. Not burning with anger, but burning through fear. Ayo, fox aflame. Ayo, call my name. Ayo, ayo, light my way, spirit, run beside me today. Listen carefully, traveler. The forest is not your enemy. The darkness is not your enemy. Fear only becomes powerful when you stop moving. The fox knows there is always another path. Flaming fox, lead me through. Flaming fox, show me truth. Run tonight, bring the light. Bring the light. Some build walls, some hide away. Some fear tomorrow and yesterday. But the fox keeps moving through wind and rain, turning old losses into new flames. No road is broken, no soul is lost. Even the coldest winter can carry the dawn. Here, 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 ho! Flaming fox, guide us. Here, 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 ho! Flaming fox, guide us. Spirit of fire, spirit of sight, lead us through the darkest night. The clever spirit does not fight every battle. The clever spirit sees what others miss. When walls appear, find the hidden door. When darkness rises, become the flame. The spirit still waits. You are stronger than the doubt inside you. You are wiser than the fear before you. You are never walking alone. Even in your darkest hour, the flame of the fox will rise, and it will show you the way. Flaming fox, guide our hearts. Flaming fox, guide our souls. Ya-heh, ya-heh, ya-heh. Spirit beside us, spirit inside us, spirit become us. Disappears into beers.